Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn how we can use bilateralstimulation-io to provide online BLS for your virtual EMDR therapy sessions. Bilateralstimulation.io has a BLS that is fully controlled by the therapist, and the tool is designed to be as simple to use and as accessible as possible. Let's start by going to your browser and typing www.bilateralstimulation.io into your address bar. Now, you'll arrive at the home page where you can select therapist, and then you'll be able to create a new session. You can give this session any name. So you could type your name, or you could also type something more generic and then create the session. Notice the simplicity of it. It only took 2 clicks to go in, and you're now in a session, and you were not asked for any personal data, any medical data. So the tool is also designed for maximum privacy. Now, you see here at the top the BLS, and you see at the bottom the controls. So you can start the BLS, adjust its speed, adjust its color, and add audio to it. Let's walk through it step by step. So when I start it, it turns on. I can adjust the speed. I can adjust it back. I can change the color. And I could add audio to it. The audio will play in sync with the visual BLS. So it will play bilaterally and it will play left and right. On the top right, you'll see the counter. The counter counts the current runs, and it also, when I stop it, will count the sets. So if I start it again and then I stop it again, it will increase the counter of sets to 2. Now, the next question is, when you're on a video chat with a client, how can you do that in parallel with the tool? Now, it's important to say that as of today, the tool does not have any video chat capabilities. However, you can still use it with whichever video chat tool you are already using, be it Zoom or Doxy or Fairnest or anything else. So let's look at it with the example of Doxy. I have Doxy open here. I'm in a video session with a client, and now one way to use it is the way I have it set up here with 2 different tabs, and I can switch between the tabs. But many therapists prefer to have it side by side. So the way I can achieve this is by having Doxy in a new window. So I can go to the tab, hover over it, left click on my mouse, hold the mouse button, and then pull it down. So now I have it in a new window. And then I can drag it at the very top by again holding the mouse button and pulling it down. So now I can move it to the right. I can make it a bit smaller. And then now I can do the same with the BLS tool. So I drag it down, I move it to the left, I resize it, and now I have the 2 windows side by side. So now I can start the BLS, adjust the configuration, and at the same time see the video on the right. So in this video, we looked at how to set up a session and configure it and align it with your video chat. In the next video, we're going to look at how you can add your client to the session and how the whole tool looks from a client's perspective.